Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining us again today. For those of you who are back, thank you for joining again. For the newcomers, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to show you how to do Zvinyenza. This is goat tripe and small intestines that are rolled together. So these are the already cleaned them, and the large intestines. Cut the large intestines into small pieces like this, and I'm going to do this for the small intestines as well, and then roll the small intestines onto the large intestine. So this is how you do it. And traditionally, this is done by the makotis or the daughters-in-laws, is after the goat has been killed. So you have to clean the tripe and prepare this. And this is a delicacy for most Zimbabweans. Immediately after slaughtering the goat, you do this, and this is, in most cases, the first dish that you make after the slaughter. So you roll this here. So refer to the video that I've done on cleaning the intestines, because you really have to clean them thoroughly. I've cut out a piece and I'm going to roll this over my thumb to fasten it so that it doesn't come out. So like I said, refer to the video on how to clean the intestines. So this is one. You can actually cut this in half, but I think this would be enough to serve one person. So I'm going to repeat this for all the other intestines and the large intestines as well. So I'm done wrapping the intestines, the small intestines to the large intestines, and this is how we are going to cook it. So this is the Bible that I've cut into pieces. I'm not gonna roll this, and with this kind of rolling up, you cannot do this with the cow's intestines because they're too big. You can do this for the goat and the sheep, and this is the end product before cooking. So now we are going to put this on the fire, in the pot, and then on fire I'm going to mix everything, and the other intestines that are too large to be rolled onto the large intestines, and the leftover large intestines. So I'm just going to put everything in the pot. Now I'm putting the meat on the fire. Today I decided to use open fire because typically this would be done in the raw areas where there is open fire. So I'm using my cast iron pot. It's a small one. I hope it's going to cook. Add some water, enough to make it cook, and then I have to add salt as well. So I'm going to watch over this, and the recipe is not that complicated. I just have to boil it, and then when it's done I will put sauce, soup, tomatoes, onions, spices, and I will show you everything as we go along. But for now I'm going to close the pot and then manage the fire until everything is cooked.